Hi, I'm Dr. Sanyam Gupta. I'm an undergraduate from AIIMS Jodhpur, 2017 batch, and I have secured All India rank of 72 in this INICET. I would like to thank my parents, my friends, and all the DAMS family members for being a major part of it and motivating me to keep going even in the toughest of times. I started my journey with DAMS in my third year, and I've attended the live lectures, mostly the recorded version of live according to my schedule, and I felt them very helpful. Like it was as good as attending the offline lectures. You feel a part of the class and you tend to retain a bit more. I also attended this INICET TND, which I found was very helpful. All the effort that the faculties have put in reflected in our results as well. And for all those who are preparing for this exam, I would like to stress upon one thing: the importance of reviewing the tests. Like when I first started giving tests, I didn't review it as thoroughly as I did after that. At first, I used to just skip through the answers. Okay, this is the answer, and then eventually I realized that the similar kind of questions or the similar topics I was marking wrong in the exam, in the tests. So I started reviewing them thoroughly. I used to write it in front or the back page of my notebook of the same subject, and whenever I used to revise that subject, I used to read through that first, so that it gets consolidated, and eventually I improved. And this strategy has helped me a lot.